scared me. Could this be the day that Betty comes back to life? 104 years old. We have gone through the valves. They're not 100%. I'm hoping they're going to be good enough to get this thing going. We fixed the starter, have it turning now. I'm going to put my manifolds back on it, hook up the electrical, and see if we can't get this thing at least sputtering and popping. Well, I think I'm about ready to start turning on this thing. Got oil in it, drained the diesel out of the crankcase. Now I'm ready to begin cranking on it. She's got 4.5 quarts of oil in her. She's wired up. Not all my buzz boxes are working, but it did this to me on the last one, and they act weird. So for now, I'm gonna just see if I can get it to sputter or pop or do anything. So let's see what happens now. That scared me. Definitely firing. Pretty cool. I guess my valve job was good enough. I've got valves coming. I want to hear this thing run somewhere. I want to see if I can get, I don't know if the others are firing, honestly. Wow, that's actually, the timing is pretty good. I just went with what was on there already. On one cylinder. Tilt this a little bit. Okay, I think number one's probably the only one that's actually firing, because I can feel the heat here. I don't know why 2 isn't, maybe compression. Okay, so compression could be an issue on 2 or timing. 3 and 4, I think my coil's not even going. Honestly, I'm surprised it runs that good on a 1 cylinder. I'm gonna tweak things a little bit. I got some time. Okay, I think we just have a contact problem. I readjusted my points from running on the other one. It was getting a little loose, so I changed those. And then I've got 3 of them sparking for me now. I don't know why the 4th one is not. It worked before. I'm pretty sure it should still work. I think it's just contact on old contacts giving me issues. But I'm gonna try it one more time. It's starting to get a little warm. I've hit it a few times off screen. I wanna see what she does now. Maybe we can get her running on 2 or 3 or even all 4. Here we got. That's actually this one, so I don't know why it's not firing. But what about 1, 3, 4? See, that's back to 1. Oh yeah, 1, 3, 2, 4. It rotates the other way. I was just being finicky. Maybe it's vibrated out of there too. Okay, that was 2. And 4 should be the next one. Okay. Maybe I gotta... Three. 1, 2. Okay. There. All 4 of them just did it for me. I don't know. Maybe it's a timing issue. It's getting a little warm. I don't really want to keep pushing it. I don't want to hurt nothing. Maybe it's a compression issue, actually. Could be. Well, whatever the issue is, I'm gonna have to finesse it at a later date, and I'll inform you guys of it. But getting this one sputtering sure went a lot faster than the last one, that's for sure. Had all my wiring figured out and kind of getting a little bit used to them now. If it ends up being a compression issue, I'm gonna have to just wait until I get my valves and stuff and can set them better. Well, off screen, I was hoping it was gonna do it. Yeah, it did. Number 2, I think it was, pop for me a couple times. But it's just, definitely it's just running on 1 right now, I think. So, I don't know, I'll have to keep playing with it, try to figure out what's going on. If you want to be here when it comes back to life, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like what you're seeing here, I enabled memberships. It's only $1 a month if you want to help me with this process.